Hey, fellow expeditionists. We are checking out another Indiana hidden gem.
We're at Bluff Nature Preserve. Bluff Nature Preserve is located in Owen County, Indiana, a few miles south of the town of Spencer. The 1,134-acre preserve protects upland forest, rocky bluffs, and a lush floodplain along Raccoon Creek. Also found on the steep bluffs is a remnant grove of eastern hemlock trees, which can only be found in Indiana on steep, north-facing slopes that provide the shady, cool environment that the hemlocks thrive on. The preserve also features a heron rookery, as well as karst topography with many sinkholes, springs, and cave entrances. There are 2 trails in separate parts of the preserve. We would be hiking the North Loop Trail. Seek and ye shall find. We be seeking.
We do be finding.
So the bluff we've been hiking on is a good 150 feet above the lower ends. I think I can actually see some water down here. There's some really interesting topography here at Greens Bluff. I mean, we've been hiking on these bluffs. You can see the bluff way across on the other side. It makes you feel like you're on a mountain. There's just a ravine down here somewhere. Wow.
That's cool.
That's quite the scenery. Wasn't expecting that. We're now descending into the below the bluffs. Kind of feels like we're descending into kind of a lost world down here. You can tell the water in this stream has either come up from a spring or come through rock at some point just by its coloring. Greens Bluff is named for James Green, who came to Indiana in 1823. He purchased much of this land and built a grist mill, sawmill, and a tobacco factory here in these woods and along this creek. On 3 separate occasions, Green erected mills here only to have them each washed away in floods. The foundation here is all that remains. Well, folks, that pretty much does it for our exploration today of the Green Bluffs Nature Preserve here in southern Indiana. I was really impressed. Amazing place with all these big hills and ravines, some great bluffage. Catfish, what'd you think?
Right, like there were lots of sinkholes here, as well as that nice creek that we could walk right beside, and just really cool bluffage.
Yep, I approve. Did not know this was here until recently. Thanks for the suggestion that came on YouTube. Love you guys. Till next time, peace out.